is a god.
So you see the title, you could probably tell by here. Actually, we got a freaking PS5 in here, digital edition, by the way. Originally, this is the PS5 that I did want, but you know, on release day back in, when did this drop? Like 2020. This isn't my first PS5, by the way. Hold on. Yeah, this is not my first PS5. It's my current one up there, and then controller and whatnot. Actually, that one's already sold it to a friend. But that's the, let's see if you can tell under here. Yeah, you can for sure tell. That's the disc version. One it is just, you know, at the time of release, that's kind of just the one I was able to get. Which I'm not complaining at all. Nothing's wrong with it, but just the digital one, it just looks more symmetrical. You know, this one, it looks nice overall, but then just the disc drive is there. And I did get this one. They restocked the other day. I think it was J23 app, which is like shoes and whatnot. But they tweeted a link, PS5 restocked, clicked in, logged in. It let me get one. Digital edition, like I said, but that was whack. Hold on. But let's go ahead and get it. But yeah, this is not a butter knife whatsoever, but it cuts smooth like butter. Hold on. That's my left hand, by the way. I'm not even left-handed. Look, this is my right hand over here. Left hand, dude. Crazy, right? But yeah, y'all comment down below if y'all are able to get a PS5. What is this? Did we get some goodies on here? GameStop. I did not get this from GameStop, y'all. I can confirm that. This is straight from PlayStation. Alright, but yeah, this is the console I ended up going with. Yeah, this thing's still pretty heavy though. PS5 is the Horizon Forbidden West, which honestly, dude, I never played this game. I have heard of it. I see some people like talking about it. Never seen any gameplay of it though, so I am gonna play that for sure. Cause it's a free game. Why not? How do y'all feel about? Hold on. Is 8K? It's nice to have, but honestly, no one's gonna use it. But how do y'all feel about digital only? What does that say? I can't read backwards. Disc free. It doesn't bother me too much at all. That's kind of what I wanted, just cause it is a little cheaper, but not that I'm trying to save money. I mean, it's nice to save money, of course, but mainly just the look of it, the weight of it. I probably won't take it to a friend's house ever, but in the event, you know, I go to my parents' house or something, I could bring this over just because it is lighter. Let me show y'all this. Hold on. And not to be a nerd, dude. Nah, I'm kind of a nerd. But I freaking love new technology, new PlayStations and shit. But look how cool that looks. All symmetrical. It looks very nice. I like it. Some nice detail shots on this camera. Yeah, you can see a little PlayStation, so I'm about to cut that sucker open, but yeah, it's a little, show you a little bit unboxing. I should have done this on the original. And I got that one down there, but I didn't. Go and cut this one open. This box is really heavy. Let's just set that there. You can't see nothing, right? But yeah, honestly, a freaking disc-free console. It does sound weird at first, because you're like, what if I want to play this game, play that game? But honestly, dude, from my PS4 at least, like 90%, no, I'd say like 85% of my games are digital. Let's set this down, actually. I don't want to drop nothing. Oh, but fun fact, obviously we're way past Corona, or I think, at least here in Texas in 2022. August, my bad, September 2022. Basically done with Corona, I think. Like, no one really wears a mask anymore, honestly. Yeah, I got the PS5. It was crazy. Because I got my, was it wisdom teeth? Yeah, like the back teeth. All 4 of them one time, dude. Thug life. I'm all taken out. And it was pretty perfect, dude, because I got that taken out. And the same, I think it was the same day. Or maybe the day after. Dang, it may have been the day. It was around the same time I got my wisdom teeth taken out. Point is, freaking PS5 comes in. So yeah, like the whole time my wisdom teeth were healing, had a PS5. That was pretty nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and save this control for my friend that's gonna buy my current PS5. Just because, like, why would I give him the old, like, used controller? This one's brand new. I'm gonna give him this one, of course, but show y'all what that looks like. I kind of want to get a blue controller soon. Those look very nice, but we just opening up a little HDMI cable right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. I think the cool thing about these are HDMI 2.1, so you want to run a little 4K 120 on your monitor, you could do that. Personally, I'd rather do a higher frame rate over resolution, because, like, who really cares about, I mean, unless you're playing like Resident Evil, Uncharted, games like that, and then I choose resolution. But for the most part, you're playing some Warzone, some Fortnite, I'm more of a frame rate type of guy. Even on Spider-Man, the Morales, I played in frame rate just because 120 is super duper duper smooth. This little USB-C cable right there. See, I'm gonna try my best not to drop this. I wasn't gonna upload this video, right? But I was like, you know what, why not? I had the chance to get in retail, of course. Oh yeah, this is awesome. This looks way, way, way cooler than the freaking disc one. Is this blue? Nah, this is white. Yeah, this is nice, dude. It's still really, really big. Like, look how big this is, dude. Very huge, but yeah, just a little PS5 digital edition. Y'all comment down below. Y'all feeling this one or the physical? This one kind of just looks more, well, it is symmetrical and a little lighter. I probably won't ever take it anywhere, but if I did want to, it's just, you know, that much slimmer, a little lighter, so, you know, that's cool. Yeah, I'm not sure how good you can see it now, but inside, well, I'm sure all y'all know, but inside there's little X's, plus, nothing pluses, little squares, triangles, circles, X's, all in there. Just a little nice detail. No one's ever gonna see it, but, you know, it's kind of nice just to have. Oh yeah, what this looks like, how symmetrical this is. Looks very, very, very nice. Not that this one's ugly or nothing, but hold on, watch this, check me out. Hey Siri, turn all the lights blue. See, that looks like PlayStation Nation right there. Doesn't look ugly at all, but it'll look like 5% better if it was symmetrical. That's what this is for right here, dude. Hey Siri, turn all the lights white. Yeah, show you what that looks like. And then the last thing it came with, obviously not gonna show you the code because I'm about to use it. Well, you know what? Nah, because I might forget to, I would show y'all it, but I might forget to use it. And it's not that I don't want y'all to use it, but you know, it's kind of my code. Not, I want to play the game and try it out, you feel? But anywho, man, hopefully you enjoyed this video. This thing got 0 minutes left. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a fat like, stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon. I know somebody's thinking, it doesn't have 0 minutes left. Hold on. It has 0 minutes left. I don't know how I'm recording right now. Hold on. It has 0 minutes left. I don't know how I'm recording right now. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon. All that good stuff. And yeah, see you on the next video. So yeah.